Hey guys, welcome to another day at our fixer-upper house. Today we have three main jobs. Number one, we are trying to get the yard work worked on. Number two, we are going through tons of the items and things that were left in the house. And the third thing, if we can get to it, is we'd like to start tearing out the master bathroom. So first, let me show you what we got done with the yard this morning. The lawnmower was already here. We brought a couple other yard tools. Here's what our front yard looks like now. Thanks for mowing the yard. We edged this a little bit. We still got a little more cleanup. I think we're gonna pull all the roses out right there. And then more cleanup around back. But the front's looking a whole lot better just from a good mow and some water. And then if we have the time and we can get to it today, we're gonna start tearing all of this stuff out. Because this bathroom just has to go. Everything in it, we gotta pull it all out and we're gonna start from scratch in here. One other big job we have in this house is to document what all materials were left over so we can decide what we need to buy, because the person who lived in this house before actually had a bunch of materials already purchased. So far we haven't spent any money on the house yet other than fuel to get back and forth. It's about a 45-minute drive from our home where we live now. Other than our down payment and our loan expenses, which I will do a whole nother video on that. So I'm gonna get back to helping the kids and we're gonna see how much of the stuff we can get cleaned out today and see if we have time to get working on that master bathroom today. Here we got everybody going through all these tile. All of it was left here. Yeah, tons of it. We just gotta clean it and organize and count it. Good kid job. We've got another fun kid job right there. We're taking down all the tiles so they get to have fun working on their hammer skills. So we spent 5 or 6 hours here today. We kind of hopped around from project to project according to what we wanted to work on. The kids really wanted to smash down a wall today, so we did, and I'll show you that. And then we pulled a ton of tile boxes that were outside and brought them inside out of the weather so they won't get ruined and destroyed. There was so much tile. I mean, check this out. This is the amount of tile that was left in this house. Look at that. So much more than we thought. And we were like digging it out from underneath the weeds and leaves. I think most of it's in good shape and can be saved. So there's a huge score there. That is where all the tile was all along that entire fence. I'm gonna show you the wall that we tore out just because we wanted to tear something out today. So this was a little half wall in the kitchen. I know, you can have a turn, just a second. Which we knew had to come out, and we wanted to see if this went all the way down to the ground, which it does. And it really is gonna open up the kitchen. I cannot wait until we get rid of the wall behind the fridge and the wall on that side and that little half wall. It's all going away so that we can open up this whole area. And then beyond that, we spent a whole bunch of time taking garbage and trash out. I think we filled like 10 garbage bags today. And then we also started to tear out this bathroom. We got the mirror torn out. I need different tools to be able to get the vanity out because of the piping underneath. So that we kind of got stopped there. But we did get started pulling tile out because that wall is gonna come down and the shower will fill that entire space. Take out that middle wall. Shower will go from there to there and it'll be a big shower instead because this is the master bathroom. So all in all, it was a really great day. We spent about 5 or 6 hours here. So far we haven't spent any money yet, but it's really just demo, and so I guess you could count the trash bags and the tools, but we already had all those. So that is the end of day 2 at our new renovation house. See you next time.